Don't mind my hair right now. I am oiling it, but I'm going to go ahead and make some more ice facial balls. I am going to add aloe this time, so I'll show you guys what exactly I put in them, but it's a great wake me up and it feels amazing in the morning. So this is what goes on mine. I use my blender, I use cucumber, water. I'm going to add aloe this time, and then a dash of tea tree oil. This is of course optional, but I love the way it makes my skin feel, so this is what I'm going to add into it. So I just added some filtered water in there. You really don't need that much because it's only going to fill this little ball. I learned that the hard way. And I'm going to add my tea tree, and I've cut up some cucumber. I'm going to add probably about 4. Some people say the skin gets irritating, but it doesn't mind, or I don't mind it. It has like a lot of nutrients in it, so I keep it on. Use about this much of the aloe. It is very sticky and it smells horrendous, but we're gonna continue cutting that out, and I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so I've got it in there. This is what it looks like right now. I'm going to put the top on and blend it. So I made sure I blended it well. This is what it's going to look like. I am adding it into this ball, so I am going to use this just to help me fill it all the way to the top. Okay, so this is super messy, but I got it filled up. I obviously still made too much, but I'm going to freeze it now. Alright, good morning. I'm finally getting around to icing my face. I do need to get some sort of like mini freezer or something for upstairs, because I have to walk all the way down my stairs to get this, do it down here, and then walk all the way back upstairs, which can be a pain when my husband and everybody are sleeping. But I did it this morning, so we're going to open this, we're going to ice my face, and I know it's going to feel amazing, and it's going to help wake me up. Now I do a quick rinse just to get everything off, like the little cucumber peels. And I did add tea tree oil in that, so it feels super refreshing. It helps wake you up for sure. I think it's just like a great pick-me-up for the morning. And I've just like been hearing amazing things about icing your face in the morning. I'm almost 30, so I'm gonna try anything at this point just to get my skin like good and back on track and healthy. And good morning.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the